The Kingree Mig500N CO2 welding machine is primarily designed for welding low-carbon steel, low-alloy steel, and other ferrous metals. CO2 gas-shielded welding finds widespread applications in automotive, shipbuilding, bridges, and construction industries. It offers swift welding speed and heightened production efficiency, while achieves immaculate weld formation with a smooth surface and minimal pores. It minimizes welding deformations and keeps the heat-affected zones small. Versatile for welding in diverse positions, ensuring flexible operation. It also utilizes readily available and cost-effective CO2 gas. Thank you for watching Kingree Mig500N CO2 Welding Machine. With its fast welding speed, impeccable weld quality, and versatility in various positions, it proves to be a reliable companion in the workshop. Stay tuned for more welding machine reviews and demonstrations on our channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates on welding innovations. Until next time, weld on!